In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a histogram chart in PowerPoint step by step so you can turn raw numbers into a clean visual chart in just a few minutes. This is a really useful skill if you're creating business presentations, school projects, reports, or data slides, and you want your audience to quickly understand your data. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add the histogram. Once you're on the correct slide, look at the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, images, and more. After clicking Insert, find and click the Chart button. When you do this, PowerPoint will open a chart selection window with different chart types available. You'll see options like column charts, line charts, pie charts, bar charts, and more. From this list, choose histogram. If you don't see it right away, look through the chart categories carefully until you find it. Once you've selected histogram, click OK to insert it into your slide. Now PowerPoint will open a small Excel sheet along with the chart. This is where you enter the data that will control your histogram. Don't worry if this looks a little different from normal PowerPoint editing. That's completely normal. The chart is linked to the spreadsheet, so whatever values you enter here will show up in the histogram automatically. At this point, you can replace the sample numbers with your own data. For example, if you want to use the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, simply enter those values into the spreadsheet cells. You can type your data in a single column or row, depending on how the chart is set up. The important thing is to make sure the values you enter are accurate, because these numbers will determine the shape of your histogram. Once your data is entered, you can close the Excel sheet. As soon as you do that, PowerPoint will update the chart on your slide automatically. You should now see your histogram chart displayed in the presentation based on the values you entered. Now comes the final step, customizing your histogram. Click on the chart to select it, and then use the chart design and format tabs at the top to make it look better. You can change the chart style, adjust the colors, edit the title, resize the chart, and fine-tune the labels so everything looks clean and professional. If needed, you can also right-click the chart to access more formatting options. This is a great time to make the histogram match the rest of your presentation. For example, if your slide has a modern blue theme, you can choose chart colors that fit that design. You can also remove unnecessary elements, make the title more readable, and adjust the axis formatting for a more polished appearance. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert a histogram chart in PowerPoint, enter your data, and customize it for a professional result. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.